I am the manatee. Float beside me and let the quiet waters carry our conversation. I may move slowly, but my wisdom flows deep like the waters I roam. I've grazed through the seagrass and the seasons, and I've gathered thoughts worth sharing. Come rest in the stillness with me, where the world softens and truth rises like bubbles. I've listened to the currents, watched the moonlight dance, and I have stories to hum into your heart. Erase your breath, release your hurry. I'll show you what it means to be truly at peace. If you're willing to listen like a mangrove listens, I'll offer you calm and helpful wisdom. Manatees can hold their breath for up to 20 minutes when resting, though they usually surface every 3 to 5 minutes. Let's float where the noise fades, and I'll whisper slow advice in the language of moss and tide. Advice from a manatee. Breathe deep. Glide through your day. Have a gentle spirit. Enjoy time alone. Eat plenty of greens. Keep your whiskers clean. Live large.